Hi there, this is Kevin once again. A very warm welcome to Hacker Nonsense, guys. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable dark mode on Instagram. So you can see here I'm having Instagram over here. Now I've enabled dark mode on my Instagram. You can see how it looks. So you can see here as I open my Instagram and I go to search panel or somewhere, you can see here it's all thing is in dark mode now. So same way so it's everything is dark now. So I will show you how to do that. So without being more said, let's get started. So hi guys, Kevin here. So in the demo, as you have seen, my Instagram was in dark mode. You can see now as I open my Instagram, it is just in a white mode that comes by default. So in search bar it's just white and all those things. So let me show you how to do that in dark mode. So what you have to do, just first of all, just close your Instagram, and then what you have to do, you need to navigate to your settings bar, and that you can see at the end you will get a dark mode option. If you are not getting a dark mode option over here, well, like I'll just enable this dark mode first, then I will show you. So now you can see as I enable the dark mode, what will happen, now you can see my whole phone is in dark mode now my screen is lagging a bit, but you can see now if I open my Instagram, now you can see that's bam guys. So same thing is also happening in iOS also. You can in iOS and Android both having a dark mode option for a whole device also. So now you can see if you are not finding a dark mode option, sorry, let me just increase the brightness. So if you are not able to see this dark mode option in this notification bar, then let's go to settings and try to search dark mode over here. So in the settings here, search for dark mode, and I hope you will get it shortly. You can see in the display in the screen you are having this option dark mode, where you can enable or disable this. So you can see currently I have enabled this. If I disable, now my dark mode is disabled. So in the same thing you can get in every device. So I hope you got it, how to enable and disable dark mode on Instagram, guys. Not only Instagram, it works on many apps also, like Snapchat, like WhatsApp. You can try many other things, and if you are facing any queries, please let me know. I will try to sort it out as soon as possible. So that's it. Bye bye and have a nice day.